Welcome to this Android channel, and we will talk a bit of some of the new features coming up in Android 10 that is to be released September 3rd, 2019. That's next week, basically. We are today August 27th. One of the first features that I think a lot of people might be happy is the first real truly operational dark mode in Android 10. Now, in Android 9 Pie, dark mode was partly enabled. So there are some dark mode availability, but it's not consistent everywhere, and there are places where the dark mode was not necessarily working like it should. So some apps would not obey at the dark mode feature also. So in Android 10, it's actually different. So basically, the dark mode is finally going to be enabled everywhere, and all apps will be getting dark mode. So this is really going to be a really dark theme enabled feature. If you have a phone that gets this and you enable dark mode, or dark theme, we already know that this saves a lot of energy. So everything will now be going dark and following that theme. So even everything that at the boot up, that's happening at the boot up of the devices and so on, is going to also be kind of using dark theme if that's what you enable. So this is going to be kind of interesting, and I think it's going to be a feature that a lot of people want. I use it in Android 9 on my Samsung, even though it doesn't follow everywhere, but it is a great way to actually have the dark theme enabled. But unfortunately, what they had not done, and that they are doing in Android 10, is that you had to enable dark theme app by app if the app had dark theme or not, where here you can actually kind of force dark everything, which I think is going to be a great option. So better and improved dark mode is coming to Android 10. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.